Ladies and gentlemen, I request all of you to put your microphone on and give a hearty applause to our champion from Afghanistan, Shajan.
Congratulations.
Okay, now I put everybody off. Shajan, where are you? Say something. Shajan, speak up. No, your mic should be on. I put everybody else's mic off.
Oh, sorry, my mic was off. Hello, sir, to everybody.
Hi, good evening, Shajan. We all are very happy and very proud of you. Just 1 second, I get you in the right room. There you are. So,
thank you, sir.
How are you feeling, Shajan?
Thank you, sir. First of all, hello to everybody, and I'm very happy. I'm feeling very happy that today I passed my exam by the help of God and my lovely teacher. And how I have feeling, it was unbelievable. But with you, sir, and Ambrish with Patente, it is very easy and it is possible. Everything, if we are following what the sir is telling to us and taking our class regularly. And the only place if you want to have your driving license, I think it is Ambrish Quick Patente School. So this is the best place. And thank you, sir, again and again. And thanks to you.
More than again. Shajan, you must have tried before my class other possibilities to try to pass the exams, and then you came to know somebody, a friend told you about us, I think. So did you find the process? I mean, did you follow everything, and did you find it easy to be able to stand for the test? You were confident.
Yeah, but not like how you told me, because I was a bit busy, you know, in my life. But the only thing, if you want to just following your speech and take the regular class. So
Okay.
this is the way to get the success soon and easy.
Very good.
This is the yeah. And I have to tell you thanks again, sir. And thanks to you guys. I wish you all the best. I hope one day you all of pass in the exam and get your success and your driving license soon.
Thank you, Shajan. Thanks a lot very much. You don't have to hope they will. I guarantee you they will. All right. So I very
want you can get it, sir.
Yeah,
Just
definitely.
if you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shajan.
And thank you, guys. And sorry for your time that I took it in duration of the class. Sorry for that.
All right. Thanks a lot, Shajan. Thank you. God bless you. Bye. Take care. Huh? Tell your friends about us now. Okay. Bye-bye. Take care.